What's going on, you guys? Bryce McKinley here, Coach Sharpen. You know what time it is. Hey, I know that it's almost 8 o'clock, you guys, and so I just wanted to jump on here because it's been a long day. It's been a long day for me. It's been a long day for everybody. Your kids are in the house. You can't get out of the house. Maybe you're cooped up with your parents, or maybe you're stuck there by yourself all alone, and you're working on your business. But here's the deal. At the end of the day, we've all had limiting beliefs, and I'm curious, how are you guys overcoming those? I want you guys to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you're doing to overcome your limiting beliefs. And so I'm actually going to invite you to a live stream tonight in 1 hour at 9 p.m. Central. Myself and a bunch of other millionaires and billionaires are going to be going live at 9 p.m. Central Standard Time. That's in 1 hour. We're going to be talking about this exact subject, and that's limiting beliefs. In the meantime, drop a comment down below. Let me know where you've joined our group from, and let me know what you're doing to overcome your beliefs. So a little bit about how I overcome mine, and then jump on the live at 9 to figure out all of the different entrepreneurs that I network with. I actually have had several limiting beliefs in my life, but how I overcome them was actually when I heard or felt or said something that was a limiting belief, I actually reversed that, say the opposite thing out loud, whether it was a thought or it was a feeling. I spoke out loud, whatever it was, as the opposite. So if, for example, if I was thinking, I just can't do this deal, I said out loud, I can do this deal. I just need to find out how. And so I spoke that out loud. And then, of course, my morning routine really helps. So I want to encourage you guys. We've all had limiting beliefs. This time right now where things are getting tough is no different. So drop a comment down below. Let me know how you are handling your limiting beliefs. And catch me in about an hour on the live stream, 9 p.m. Central. I love you. God bless you. Stay sharp, and I'll see you at the top.